Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy that you're here. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and check out my description down below. I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me. I am super happy to share as many free videos with all of you. I love to give away this information for free, but I really also appreciate if you click on anything in my link tree. So go ahead and browse through there. I have quite a few links. Find something you like, and whatever you click on, and if you make a purchase, it goes back to this channel, which helps me make more videos. So thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fried plantain. So I'm using them like sliders with beef hamburgers, and so I'll be slicing them thin, like thinner, 1/4 inch, and then frying them in oil in a pan. So I've let the plantains get really soft. They're like pretty black looking, you'll see. And then I'm going to fry them up and put them underneath my hamburgers because I am gluten-free. And although I eat gluten-free bread and gluten-free rolls, I'm not like eating tons of those replacement grain products because I just don't feel that great when I eat tons of grain. So I like to incorporate plantains and sweet potatoes and other root vegetables, red beets, lots of green vegetables, broccoli, other things besides just grain. Thanks. So you can see here my 3 plantains that I'm going to work with. This one got darker for some reason. It's even spoiling a little bit. I'm going to just cut that off. But you want to work with them when they're really soft because they get sweeter when you fry them. So peeling plantains is not like peeling bananas. They are a little more difficult to peel unless they're really, really ripe. I have cut each piece into like thirds. Like one full piece of plantain, I cut 1 to 3 times. And have them assembled here in this pan with olive oil and a teeny bit of salt. And kind of have the heat on medium, but you want to let it get sizzly and then flip them. And here are the finished plantain slices. Like golden brown, soft. They smell so good. Slightly sweet, slightly like banana, but they are a little bit more obviously a lot more savory. I would not eat a hamburger with a banana slice, but plantain, yeah.